The mid-range street bike segment is currently a battlefield, and Triumph isn't just showing up, they are trying to rewrite the rules of engagement. With the latest push for the Trident 660, the Hinckley-based manufacturer is pivoting toward a younger, more style-conscious demographic that demands premium British engineering without the soul-crushing price tag. It's a strategic move that acknowledges a simple truth. In today's market, performance alone isn't enough. Accessibility and personality are the new currencies. The headline grabber here is undeniably the financial strategy. By offering a 72-month full loan with zero interest, Triumph is effectively demolishing the barrier to entry for the triple lifestyle. While some purists might argue that long-term financing is a double-edged sword, one cannot ignore the brilliance of making a premium British motorcycle cost about the same per month as a high-end gym membership. It's a bold play to capture budget-cautious riders who have traditionally been priced out of the European market and relegated to more utilitarian Japanese alternatives. However, the Trident 660's appeal isn't just about the balance sheet. It's about that three-cylinder heart. In a class dominated by parallel twins that often lack character, the 660 cubic centimeters triple remains a masterclass in balance. It delivers a linear power output that is forgiving for novices yet rewarding for veterans, accompanied by an exhaust note that is arguably the most distinctive howl in the middleweight category. It bridges the gap between the low-end torque of a twin and the high-end scream of an inline-4, providing a best-of-both-worlds scenario for city sprints and weekend canyon carving. To sweeten the deal, Triumph and the Anton Group are leaning heavily into customization, a clever nod to the personal style movement. Buyers are faced with a choice: a 30,000 new Taiwan dollars accessory voucher or the ERMAX exclusive kit. The voucher offers the freedom of choice, but the ERMAX kit is where the critical eye finds the most interest. By adding a sharp headlight cover and a sleek single-seat cowl, the kit successfully pivots the Trident from a polite, modern classic commuter into something with a far more aggressive street fighter silhouette. Visually, this style upgrade is a calculated evolution. The standard Trident 660 is known for its clean, almost minimalist British design language, which can sometimes feel a bit too safe for those seeking a rebellious edge. The ERMAX components inject a necessary dose of visual tension, sharpening the bike's lines and giving it a more planted, purposeful stance. It's an effective way to ensure the bike doesn't just blend into the sea of commuters at a red light, satisfying the ego as much as the enthusiast soul. Ultimately, the Trident 660 remains a jack of all trades that refuses to be a master of none. Whether you are navigating the urban grid or looking for your first big bike experience on mountain roads, this limited time offer makes a compelling case for pulling the trigger. Just remember that the fine print matters. Anton Group reserves the right to final interpretations of this deal. For the rider who has been sitting on the fence, weighing British prestige against practical costs, the window of opportunity has rarely looked this wide open.